How to make simple French toast.
You will need egg, milk, bread, salt to taste, and vegetable oil. In this case I'm going to be using vegetable oil, but you can use coconut oil. And the first thing we're going to do is to beat the egg. Then we add salt. You add salt to your taste, and then you add milk. After I've added milk, you continue to stir it, and then until they're well mixed, and then you take a piece of bread, you place it on the mixture. You can opt to do it on only one side, or you can do it on both sides. It just depends on your preference. And then after that, you place oil on the pan, any oil of your choice, and then you place the bread, you turn it, and then voila, your French toast is ready.